So the genesis of this event, we received some children from Haiti about a month ago. And when these children came, they did not have anything. They did not have clothing, nothing at all, as some of you may know the situation that they are coming from. So what we decided to do, so that we can have, because they did not bring any medical history, so we decided to ask the Indian High Commission to send his doctors here so they can assess the children.
Being here, when I entered in seeing some of the disabilities and just getting the history as to the children that are being seen now are actually children from Haiti, where there was a collaboration with Mustard Seed and the Haitian government. These children came from an orphanage in Haiti, and because of the violence and everything that is happening in Haiti, they reached out to Mustard Seed, and it was a collaboration with every entity, government, a lot of volunteers in getting the children here. The story behind it is just mind-boggling, but it happened, and we did it. Jamaica, we did it.
This camp today in Munich in Master Seat is a continuation of our medical camp. This is the 32nd medical camp that we have had in the last 3 years. And to be very specific to the questions that you are asking, we would have served in this last 32 medical camps around 10,000 people.
Thanks to the Indian High Commissioner who has organized this, and the Mustard Seed community, which has given us an opportunity to serve the people of the community, the Mustard Seed community. So we've come here to do our need. We are part of the team of Indian doctors who have come to help out the Haitian children who are there with the Mustard Seed community, which has been organized by the Indian High Commission. So this is a free medical camp, so we are doing our assessments. The other facilities that we are offering is, we have dental checkup as well as an eye clinic going. So we are going to assess all the children out here who have come from Haiti, and assess them and do the meeting.
So this is a project done by Mustard Seedlings. Mustard Seedlings is a club at Cameron College. It was formed in 2021. And we've done several projects such as a mural at Mary's Child and Puppy, and a common sleeping area over there too.
We've also done a medical camp in Jerusalem, and we're currently facilitating one here at Jacob's Ladder. And we are happy to announce that we are extending Mustard Seedlings to Hillel Academy from the new academic year.
I'm here today because the more hands the community needs, the more help we get. And I would say it's nice to help the community.
I just want to be able to help people as much as I can, even if it's just by a little bit, because being in environments such as these makes me appreciate how good my life seems in comparison to less fortunate people.
As a Indian citizen, we came all the way far from the place, and we are working out here since 10 years. It's the people over here, they really love us. They take care of us everything, and they support us a lot, and they take us everybody as one of their own family members, and they treat us very nicely. So it's our responsibility as what we can do when it comes Sunday comes like this. So then we thought that our Indian High Commission, sir, His Excellency Mr. Masakui, and his team, they have conducted the medical camp. This is not the first one, it is the 33rd one. So that's in this camp, I felt so happy that we have to do our job. So that's I'm here to dispense some medication. Even though I'm a doctor, but I'm just working as a pharmacist in this now, because we have 34, I think 48 voluntary doctors there, but today we have about 78 doctors attended this. I am one of that, so I just take a role of pharmacy.
This partnership came about as a result of a need and it was a collaboration with the Indian High Commission. I'm happy that the Indian pharmaceutical community reached out, right? I mean, you will see behind me, there's a plethora of medical medications here that is totally given for free, right? There are doctors here. There's a lot of nurses and people who have come together to make this happen. And I'm so proud of everybody who's involved.
This is an ongoing thing. As long as our community doctors and pharmaceutical companies are providing the medicines and the services, that will continue with this. And this, they have assured us that they will continue to support, because they have dedicated their services in the last 3 years, and we have been promised and assured that they would like to continue this service.
The satisfaction you get by doing these free medical camps, because we try to touch, all the communities, different communities in Jamaica, and it's a great sense of satisfaction we get by doing these free medical camps. And we are really thankful to the Indian High Commissioner and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, India, for giving us this opportunity to, give back to the society, Jamaican society, which has been so kind to us, where we made our careers out here, coming from India.
I'm very grateful and thankful to all the supporters, all who have put in their hand and support for the success of this community. The motto of this camp is to reach the unreached, to serve the unserved, and to care for the uncared. And rightly so, in this medical camp, you will see the condition of these people. And our doctors are very cheerful, very happy to ensure that they get the best medical care. I have interacted with the doctors who are examining the patients, especially those who have come from Haiti, and they say that because they have eaten something which is not really good for their health, like including mud cakes, and there's a lot of worms inside the stomach, and some other medications which have been wrongly prescribed. They are seeing not as just a routine checkup, but also to ensure that they get the right medication and they get the right treatment in this medical camp.
We really, really do that this is just the beginning of what is to come. We really do hope that there will be other partnership from other entities, whether governmental. We do hope that people just pivot on the fact that there is a need within the communities in different areas to be able to address some of our very medical needs that are needed to assist the government.
It's really always joy to serve the people, because especially when we look at this mustard seeds community, because we have done the same service like 1 year, 1.5 years ago, which is at Kingston. Because when we looking at those children are the residents who are being here, some of them is a bit medically challenged, and those, because when we look at them, it really joy to serve them, because we never feel that it is a burden, and it's really joy to serve them. So that's really I can't express my feelings that when we serving them, when we look at their faces and they are happy somehow, just because there is no words to express. It's really happy for that. Yeah.